Welcome back, guys, to 2-minute tool review. Today we're doing some suction cups made for picking up windows, glass, anything large that's nice and smooth surface like this. If you've been following along with our other videos, we've been doing, a lot of old rehab, a lot of construction in old homes, old buildings and such. So that means a lot of heavy lifting in some precarious situations. We decided to pull the trigger on 2 different suction cups to give them both a shot, see which one we like the best. Both around the same price, around $40, $45. We have to get these heavy windows up and into place. We have to do it safely and securely because these aren't cheap. The first one we have is a lever action. So press it against your glass and flip the lever in. Suction cups to it. The other one we have pump action. There's a little red line. You keep pumping it till that red line's gone. That's how you know it's fully down, and suction to the window. We found after moving about 22 windows into our building, this suction cup with the pump action paying off dividends compared to this one. This one's still good, still does the job, but it's at the same price point. You're gonna have a better option with this one. This one seems to, unless you push it down really, really tight, which you don't really want to do against glass, you're not going to get a great suction surface on this. Plus, it's more prone to sliding. Dust gets stuck to this one. It's more of like a rubber. This one, sturdy, it's on there. It's good, it's not going anywhere. It's much easier to remove too. This one has an air release, a pressure release button. You can hear it. Once that red dial's out, that red line comes right off. Super simple, super easy, doesn't really collect a ton of dust. This one, flip the levers, see, it just pops right off. Wasn't even that secure in the first place. So if you're going between this one or this one, this one's gonna win 10 times out of 10.